Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Today we're going to play a game called Removing the Initial Sound. I'm going to say a word and tell you to say it without saying the first sound. And then you're going to have to tell me what new word it makes. Are you ready? Let's do one together. Say the word meat, but don't say mmm. What word does that make? Meat. Eat. It makes the word eat. Great job. Let's keep playing together. Say the word mat, but don't say the sound. Ready? At. The new word is at. Great job. Say the word rat, but don't say the sound. Ready? At. The new word is at. Great job. Say the word sat, but don't say s. What new word does that make? At. It makes the word at. You're doing a great job. Let's try some more together. Say the word sand, but don't say s. Ready? And. It makes the word and. Great job. Say the word late, but don't say the l sound. Late. Ate. Ate. I ate some food. Our new word is ate. Say the word hit, but don't say the sound. Are you ready? It. Our new word is it. Say the word for, but don't say the sound. Are you ready? What's our new word? Or. Or. Our new word is or. Would you like blueberries or pancakes? Say the word hat, but don't say the sound. What word does that make? At. At is our new word. Say the word farm, but don't say the sound. What new word does that make? Arm. Arm is our new word. We changed the word farm to arm. Let's try one more together. Say the word car without the k sound. What new word does that make? R. R is our new word. Great job deleting the first sound of a word to make a new word with me. I'll see you next time.